Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex Day trade setups for today. So starting off with Euro USD, and pretty much nothing going on. Big up, big down, big confusion, and that continued yesterday between the levels I gave you. And those are pretty much around here at 116,200 and 115,900. So that's kind of the structure that is in play at the moment. And if you look at it on the hour, there is absolutely no reason why we want to be trading that. So sit quietly and wait for something. You know, we're looking for a stronger dollar, but it doesn't look like it's materializing. We still are below the moving averages and bouncing off them, but we're going to have to break through the structure before I even start looking at that pair. US dollar, Japanese yen, pretty much the same kind of setup. You can see we're doing a big up, big down this week, and nothing really to write home about. We get down to the hour and we have a bit of a head and shoulders forming below the moving averages. Oscillators crossed over, so it does look like a little bit more downside coming. It is sideways. There's no two ways about it. You can look at that, it's sideways. So I don't trade sideways markets, so we'll stay on the side for this one. And it hasn't really gone far in 2 weeks. So something is brewing, but we'll just wait for that structure before we jump in on that. Moving on to the pound and the British pound, Japanese yen. Been a strong move up over a couple of weeks, and we have this massive weekly level here, and that is 156.061. So just round it off to 156. So 156 is the structure we have in place, and we did reject it once, and it looks like we're trying to reject it again. Oscillators easing off quite nicely. And if I come back down to the hour, you can see yesterday we had a pretty big sell-off onto the structure, and then we started bouncing around. So I'm not interested in shorting this around here. Bigger trend is up, so looking for an area of structure for us to start buying in. It looks like it may happen here, but I'm going to need a little bit more confirmation. So for me, confirmation would be a break and retest of this area here at 156.580. That would clear the moving averages as well. If I can break above, come back, find support, then I'd start looking for a long back to the top of the channel. For me at the moment though, this is just consolidating, and it's kind of consolidating on a major weekly level, which I'm not going to anticipate a break of that just yet, because the higher probability is you'll find support there. Lastly, moving on to Euro British pound, and well, we did get the break of this, and this is also another strong weekly level, this 084241, but we got a break of it, and then we were looking for rejection somewhere off the middle of the range. Didn't happen. It broke through that, got to the top of the range, and rejected the top of the range. So it's safe to say that that is a well-defined range, and you can see there's a level we were waiting for yesterday. For yesterday's trade, didn't materialize, went all the way to the top, and kind of rejected the top of the range. So for me, we need to clear the range. Quite simple. I need a break and a retest of 084639 to the upside before looking for longs. Otherwise, I'm looking for a break of 084249 and a decent retest before I start looking at shorts. So another one where we are sitting on our hands. So nothing really going on in Forex, and indexes are pulling back slightly. So probably a quiet day. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.